Samsung shook Texas with one of the largest microchip facilities being manufactured in Taylor, Texas. Stay tuned to learn more about Austin's biggest new developments coming in hot.
We are the Austin City Brothers, licensed real estate advisors in the greater Austin, Texas area. If this is your first time to this channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please consider hitting that subscribe button as we do drop weekly videos to inform you about the best of Austin's real estate like this one.
Now, Austin is one of the 4th fastest growing real estate markets in America. This video is to talk about all the new developments coming into our city. So where are the good investment opportunities in the next 3 to 5 years? Where would you want to live, or where do you want to move away from because of all the growth? We're going to be talking about some of the most exciting developments coming into our city, and reach out to us for more information if you want to invest. Samsung Semiconductor is building a 1,200-acre job site in Taylor, Texas. That's going to attract 2,000 high-ranking jobs, and it's a $17 billion with a B facility. Taylor's population was 16,000 in 2020. It is going to double in size by 2025. We're going to see what's called a halo effect. So when big corporations like Samsung or Tesla come into Austin, there's a halo effect where all these other affiliates follow big development. And so when you look at Pflugerville, Hutto, East Georgetown, Thorndale, all these places surrounding Taylor are just going to blossom with commercial and residential real estate to meet the demand of Samsung.
All those land that are available right now, these big companies see the opportunity, and that's why they make their decision. Everywhere else in the world, somewhere like Taylor, they pick and go and put their plants over. We're going to talk about some of the mixed-use developments that are coming to Austin. Mixed-use developments like the Domain, and the biggest one that is coming to North Austin is called Northline Mall in Leander.
Northline Mall is 166 acres. It's about half the size of the Domain. There's going to be a town square, farmers markets, over 2,000 apartments, 250 townhomes. Some of them are for sale right now, and there's 225,000 square feet of retail. So whereas the Domain in North Austin has more shopping but less apartments, Northline Mall in Leander is going to have a balance of both the residential and commercial real estate. So it's going to be really family friendly. And it's in Leander, which is one of the fastest growing cities in Texas right now.
On top of that, there are a few other mixed-use developments that are coming to Austin. We're going to only highlight 2 for the sake of this video. The second one is called Uptown ATX, kind of like Uptown Dallas. So they follow the same concept.
This one's really exciting.
It's right across from Domain. If you drive by the street, you'll see there are a few high-rises that are coming up across from Domain. It's going to be very European style. There's going to be a metro station that is passing by there. It's going to have shopping, apartments, pools in the rooftops. Pretty cool. It's called Uptown ATX. There will be more information that you can access to by going to their website. The third one that was just announced, which is very exciting.
Yeah, very brand new, is the Brody Oak development.
Located in south of Austin towards the tail end of Lamar Street. This one is going to be a redevelopment of an existing shopping center. If you go right now, there's an old Target over there, but it's like, not really pleasant to look at. It's a lot of, homeless, just very, very beaten down. So they're going to come in, invest, God knows, we don't have the exact numbers yet. There will be mid-risers, about 6 of them.
Yeah.
All the way up to 25 floors, and it's going to attract 1,700 new residents to live in that.
36-acre development, multi-use in South Austin. Let's talk about the high-risers coming to downtown. There are 20 high-risers under construction. Now, people love the downtown Austin city life because you have the best restaurants, hiking and biking trails, Town Lake, paddleboarding, and 6th Street. I mean, what is there not to love about living downtown? There are 16 proposed plans for high-risers, and one of the most exciting ones to highlight is a high-rise called The One by Ritz-Carlton. Now, there's a famous One hotel in Miami, Florida, and they're building The One in Austin, Texas. It's going to be 5 stars, Ritz-Carlton Hotel. It's going to be a destination hotel for downtown Austin, and it's right by Rainey Street. We're going to have a ton of more commercial and residential real estate coming into downtown, and a lot of condominiums.
One of those high-risers being 6 and Guadalupe, which is under construction. They're supposed to finish it by the end of this year, 2024. You'll see this is the new skyline. It's the tallest building that we have right now.
66 stories.
350 residential units units are going to be available by the completion of that high riser.
Yeah.
Also, that one is a mixed user, so it has offices on the lower level.
And guess who bought all the office space?
Meta.
Yeah.
Facebook has already pre-leased all of those. They leased it all and they came and take it. So God knows what other plans they're going to have for that space, but that's the news.
Now, finally, there's a film studio coming into Bastrop, Texas. Now, in the Bastrop County, we look south of there is Lockhart and Seguin. There is a huge explosion of residential, commercial, flex spaces. There's rumors another semiconductor facility may come into Lockhart because one almost landed there, but went up to the northeast instead. So we could have 2 semiconductor facilities within 30 minutes of Austin in the next 5 years. It's in the works. The Bastrop movie studio is going to be 324 acres. Just the first phase of development is a $40 million investment, and then it's going to expand to 500 acres, bringing in 1,500 permanent jobs into Bastrop. So Bastrop is a great investment, great land opportunities there, great flex space opportunities in both Bastrop and Lockhart. And so there's a lot of unseen growth happening in these areas that we can present to you today.
When a facility can create 1,500 direct jobs, I don't know the exact number, but I think 7 or 8 other jobs needed to be created in order to support that growth. These numbers that we're giving you are a fraction of what's happening in the Austin's Texas growth. So for those of you that are kind of concerned about what's going to happen in the future, this is going to give you great insight of what to expect.
We're seeing major growth around Taylor, Leander, and Bastrop. These are very, very hot places. And stay tuned for many more new developments coming up because we now work directly with developers in Austin, Texas as the Austin City Brothers. So tune into this channel for inside information, subscribe to our channel for weekly videos, and if you're looking for a licensed real estate advisor, consider contacting us right here on this video, and we look forward to serving you.
Thank you, and see you in the next video.